Welcome to the USC USED series on COVID-19. This is training session 3 in 2 parts. Part 1, providing information on COVID-19, and Part 2, technology resources. This training series was developed by the University of Southern California, University Center for Excellence in Developmental Disabilities, and specifically by Dr. Cecily Betts, Dr. Larry Yin, Fran Goldfarb, and Olga Solomon. The learning objectives for this session are to learn where to access reliable information on COVID-19, how to access COVID-19 resources in various languages, how to access internet and video resources on COVID-19, how to learn strategies to assist others in dealing with the stresses associated with the COVID-19 pandemic, and how to access video on strategies for taking care of oneself. Part 1. Providing information. When you have to provide information to clients, it is probably most useful to provide simple graphics to convey information on COVID-19. It's a good idea to seek information from reliable sources, such as Centers for Disease Control, World Health Organization, Department of Public Health, Department of Developmental Services, local pharmacy, and healthcare professionals. It is also really important to clarify any misinformation for clients. The websites listed on the slide will help you provide accurate information to your clients. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has an 800 number, 1-800-232-4636, and this is their main website, www.cdc.gov, where there is information on coronavirus. The CDC also has video on how to prevent the spread of COVID-19 posted on YouTube. That's the next link on the slide. And the last link on the slide is from the World Health Organization. Another resource for providing accurate information comes from California Department of Public Health, where you can find the latest information in California. California Department of Developmental Services also has information on their website on coronavirus and resources. There is also a website dedicated to information by and for people with disabilities, and that's the website selfadvocacyinfo.org, and that has information on coronavirus in plain language, and that will be also very useful. The following resources are available in different languages. COVID-19 resources in Spanish are available from California Department of Public Health, from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention that developed Fact Sheet in Spanish, and information by and for people with disabilities, selfadvocacyinfo.org in Spanish. The Federal Drug Administration's website, and specifically their Emergency Preparedness and Response Program, has now posted information on coronavirus in Spanish. The CDC website includes information on how to protect yourself and also on symptoms of coronavirus. COVID-19 resources in Chinese are offered by the California Department of Public Health. The CDC has a link on how to protect yourself and on symptoms of coronavirus. COVID-19 resources in Vietnamese are available from the CDC, and they're specifically related to how to protect yourself and to symptoms of coronavirus. COVID-19 resources in American Sign Language cover sign and symptoms of COVID-19 and COVID-19 prevention tips, and both of those links are available on YouTube. In the second part of this session, we'll talk about technology resources. On this slide, there is information for clients with autism or Down syndrome. The first link is for supporting individuals with autism through uncertain times. And the second link on the slide is Down syndrome, everything you need to know about COVID-19 and Down syndrome. There is a COVID-19 app developed by Apple for iPhones. And in the next slide, we will see a screenshot of this app that was developed together with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This app provides handy information on COVID-19, and it also has a self-screening tool. It is planned that this app will soon have information and locations of where one can get tested. And this is what the screenshot of this app looks like. On the left upper corner, you see COVID-19 screening tool that can help you understand what to do next about COVID-19. And you see this blue button that says start screening, and when you push that button on your iPhone, it will give you different questions that you will have to answer. The app provides general up-to-date rundown on the virus and its symptoms. It provides information on what you can do, information about social distancing, isolating from others, and more. And it also provides information about who should be tested and what to expect from results. There is also information on who is at high risk for COVID-19. There is a Google COVID-19 website that contains valuable up-to-date information on COVID-19, which includes information on protection measures, latest update on COVID-19 nationally and internationally, and an example of that can be found on the next page. This is what Google COVID-19 website looks like. You can see do the 5 help stop coronavirus strategies listed here. 1, hands, wash them often. 2, elbow, cough into it. 3, face, don't touch it. 4, space, keep safe distance. 5, home, stay if you can. There is a map of worldwide cases, and if you click on this arrow in blue where it says view full map, it's going to open into a larger map. And there is also a list of United States cases by state, and so you can see the confirmed and the recovered numbers. The worldwide mapping of COVID-19 global cases was developed by the Center for Systems Science and Engineering at Johns Hopkins University, and it provides the most current data on the COVID-19 cases worldwide and in the US, including the listing of areas in the US that are affected. And this is what this website looks like. It has the total confirmed cases and total recovered people and total deaths. World Health Organization has made a 4-minute video that provides background information about COVID-19 and prevention information. This video is available in many languages, including Spanish, Chinese, and Farsi. And the link to this is listed on this slide. This is what the World Health Organization website on coronavirus looks like. It has general information about coronaviruses as a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases. It has information about the novel coronavirus COVID-19, and it has some information on symptoms, and there is a link to a course that one can take on coronavirus. Here are the references that were used in this presentation. Thank you for listening.